What is up, everybody? This is your Keto Chef, Rob. Welcome back to the Keto Chef. It's been a while since I put out a video, but we've got an awesome recipe for you today. We are taking boring, bland chicken. We're turning it awesome with chicken satay. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This recipe has as much flavor as you can pack into chicken, period. So, let me show you how to do that. Let's do this. Whew. It's been a couple weeks since we had a recipe video, folks. I gotta brush the dust off of my cutting board. Welcome back, it's good to be back. Today, we are choosing chicken tenders as opposed to chicken breasts because chicken tenders, as the name implies, are a bit more tender and they're perfect for skewers, which is what we're doing today with this chicken satay. So we're gonna cut these into skewer size, bite-sized pieces, and we're gonna start dumping all of our ingredients into the bowl. We're gonna do this first so that I can start marinating, and all the turmeric and chili powder and all that stuff can kind of just soak right into there. These are the ingredients I chose for it, and I'm looking for bold and I'm looking for colorful. Fish sauce, it's an important ingredient here. It gives it kind of that umami, Asian-y taste, as well as soy sauce. Got a link for coconut aminos if you're interested in what that is down below in the description. I'm also gonna add in a little bit of curry powder. I've got some yellow curry powder on hand, so I'm gonna dump that in there too for a nice little punch of flavor. This is ready. It's gonna get some plastic put down on the top of this. We're gonna let this just kind of do its thing and marinate on the side while we get together our cucumber Thai salad. Now this cucumber Thai salad turned out so good and it ended up being such a perfect pair with this. So a Thai salad, this is pretty much just a quick pickle. And I'm picking just some random vegetables that I have around. I've got green onion, some red onion. I'm adding some cucumber and some chilies from the garden. It's technically a quick pickle, which is where we just take some chopped vegetables and we dump like a hot brine on top of it. And so once we have all of our vegetables cut and chopped and thrown into a bowl, I'm gonna heat up some vinegar, some salt, some pepper, and we're gonna throw that onto the stove until it starts steaming. Once it's steaming, we're gonna pour it right on top of our cucumber salad. And that is our quick pickle, AKA our Vietnamese salad, just set to the side, done. We now need a perfect sauce, and then we can start cooking this chicken up. Now, the perfect sauce for this recipe is, I'm sure you can guess, a peanut sauce. Super easy to make. Let me show you how we do it. Obviously, first thing we need, some peanut butter. I'm gonna use 2 scoops here. I'm also gonna add the juice of 1 lime. Boom, straight into the bowl. I want it to match our chicken skewers, our chicken satay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger powder, a little bit of garlic powder, some chili flakes for a little bit of heat, a little splash of coconut aminos. And now this is totally optional. I'm just trying to add a little toasty flavor to this. I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil as well. Now, we're gonna mix all this up and we're gonna check the consistency of it. Now, as you can see, this does not look like a sauce. It looks like peanut butter because that's pretty much what it is, peanut butter with spices in it. So we're gonna add a little bit of water, just like a spoonful at a time, very little, until we get the consistency that you want. If you want a sauce that's more luxurious and thick, like I like it, I'm just using about 2 tablespoons of water here for 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And look at that. That is a proper peanut sauce. This smells amazing. Now, we're gonna let all of this sit to the side. That cucumber salad is gonna keep pickling on the side there. It's gonna keep getting more and more acidic and delicious. This peanut sauce is gonna continue to get a little bit spicier as those chili flakes start to hydrate. And now is the time that we are going to add our coconut milk to our chickens. Now, the coconut milk, it's going to keep it from sticking. It's kind of like adding butter or oil to any other type of meat before you sear it. And it's gonna help cool the chicken off from the spiciness that we added before. Obviously, I made enough for 2 people here. This is one of those recipes that you can meal prep. You can make a ton of these skewers, cook them off in the oven on a baking sheet, and meal prep it for the week. Now, look at that peanut sauce, a little garnish on top. that cucumber salad next to it, our quick pickle, and a few skewers. And folks, this is a perfect keto meal. If you want to see more meals like this, make sure you subscribe and make sure you share my channel so other people can get recipe ideas like this. If you want to see a specific recipe, hit me up on my Instagram and I'll make sure I get a video out to you or at least a recipe sent to you. Guys, as always, keep it keto, stay healthy. Peace.